G'day guys, welcome back to the YouTube. And on this video, we're going to be doing all the fun stuff. So in the last video, the VZ, we got it all primed up. Now it's time to jump on the blocks and get sanding. So we're in for a big one. Let's get into it. All right, so to get started, I'm going to use this block, 240, Velcro, concentrate on all the repairs, run it down the rest of it. Hopefully the Chief's going to rock up and I might get lucky and he might give me a chop out, but I doubt it. He might just be worried about keeping the kid a lot, but we'll see how we fucking go. So yeah, we'll get it all blocked, re-guide coat it, 500 on the orbital, 800 the edges, and we'll be ready to take it to the booth. So let's get stuck into it. Oh, well, I know what that horn means. That means the big Chief's here. Is this here? About fucking time you got here. About time you got here. Yeah. Lucky that clock there's fucked. I wouldn't know much to dock you. 11:30 I got here.
How the heck can I ever take?
Where were you?
Where am I all the time?
All right, so I've finished stirring the old boy up. So I've blocked it all, got it all re-guide coated. Now I've decided that I'm going to wet and wet this car. So I'm going to get the orbital sander 320 grit with a soft pad, and I'm going to buzz the whole car down, and then I'm going to go around the edges with a 320 pad, or like a 240 320 pad, and then we'll be good to go. So once I get all that done, then obviously I'm going to pressure wash the car, clean it all, make sure there's no dust and things like that trapped in the little crevices and the edges. So let's get into that. All right, so to save everyone the pain of watching me sand a whole car, because I don't think you really want to watch it, I've gone ahead and done this whole side. I'm going to move on to the roof and then roll over to the other side of the car. So with all these edges, you know, everything like that, just to show you what I'm going to be using, it's these hand sand pads here. So it says they're a fine 240 to 320. So I'm going to wet on wet the car, so it's going to be fine. If I wasn't wet on wetting, I wouldn't be using them. They'd be probably a bit coarse. Sia is the brand. So going over it, sander. Now I've run out of 320, so I've ducked down to the paint shop. They had no 320, so I've had to settle for the 400s, which is fine. So I'm going to work on the roof now and work my way over, and then move over to this side of the car and get it all sanded out. So let's get stuck into it and get sanding. All right, so we're ready to rock and roll. So I was going to drive it. The car's out of rego. So I got Rob coming with his trailer. He's going to pick it up and tow it to work for me. So that's good. So I can whip the bar back off now, because I would have had to done that before I painted it anyway. So I'm just going to rip that off. There's no point in me taking that to work. I might have a go at ripping the rear bar off while I'm here as well, just so then I can get straight into work, start masking and get stuck into it. Alright, so we're all done, back in the shed, tucked away. So all we've got left now is the bumpers, side skirts and handles, so just all the plastic parts. So I'm going to get all them ready and probably go and paint them at work next week sometime if I can. And then put it all together, polish it, and go home. So if you like the video, let me know in the comments, like, subscribe if you want to. If you like seeing painting and stuff like that, there's more coming. Probably going to take a little week off. The missus has bought me tickets to go down to Motorex, so I'm going to go down there for a bit of a look and get inspired a bit more, and then come back and get into it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.